Oh, welcome to the class once again. We are now making slight headway into selling. I hope you are getting a hang of what the selling is. Last class, we talked of how to approach a customer. In this class, we will try to understand what is the selling ability. You must listen to this video number of times so that you understand what is the ability required for selling and try to upgrade yourself with those abilities. First thing for ability to sell is you should have personality which is acceptable to the customer. Well, can you sell a car? You have the personality. Can you sell a fashion gown? Or you can only sell an insurance. So try to understand. If you recollect, we talked about this topic before resume writing, that what exactly your capabilities are, what are the capabilities you are willing to upgrade yourself when we talked about changes in yourself. So you must have understand that you require a personality acceptable to the customer. The personality will vary from the shopping environment, will vary from the products, but the principle will still remain. Commercial communication. Can you provide, talk to the customer and provide him the commercial details about the product, about the alternatives. Awareness level. Are you aware of the scenario? Are you aware of the trends? Are you aware of the other products coming in the market? Are you aware that when the sales will start, where the promotional activities will be there? So that is your awareness level. Then we talk about we talked about product knowledge. How much of product knowledge you have? Okay. So now you have to talk to the customer about the product. Do you know the product? Do you know the car is running on the gas? Do you know that this soap is made of what all components? Does it harm the skin? Does it not harm the skin? So you should be able to have some knowledge about the product. Mind you, all this what I'm saying is are your own effort towards development. Well, somebody may come and give you a lecture, but he will just go away. So I'll again tell you to read hear my videos, see my presentation which is on the net, which you can do yourself. Then communication. Earlier we talked about commercial communication. Now we are talking of other aspects of communication. Other aspects of communication are: can you listen? Can you interpret? Can you convey to the customer what he wants to, what you want to convey? By your communication, is he feeling happy? Is he feeling upset? Are you trying to ignore him? So this is the communication. Next is etiquette. Etiquette is a standard of behavior expected in a group situation. If you are selling a car to say high-end company executive or a millionaire, your etiquette would be different. If you are in a mall, your etiquettes are entirely different. Then consider the working image. Working image. Are you slouching? When he's talking to you, are you listening somewhere else? Do you have eye to eye contact? Are you giving answers which are relevant, or are you giving irrelevant answers? Then motivation. Motivation in this case means you're listening to sell, that you decided to sell a product. And if you decide to sell a product, well, you could find 10 reasons for a person to buy the product. You may be able to give him only 2. If you can give him 10, possibly he'll buy the product. Knowledge. We had talked about product knowledge, but even otherwise, knowledge helps a person to create confidence in himself. Confidence. When you are talking, are you just muttering some words? Are you talking with confidence? You have to talk with confidence. Sales techniques. Are you following the correct sales technique for the particular product? Every product has its own sales techniques. If you are selling butter, it's one sales technique. If you are selling car, there's a one sales technique. If you are selling a Boeing, there's another sales technique. If you are selling a project, there's a different sales technique altogether. So you have to just keep this in mind. Now I'll touch upon some of the other features which you need to highlight in yourself. Communication. Communicate with the customer to create good feeling. Listen to the customer to understand his problem. Provide product information. What all products information you can provide him. So try and provide him the project information. Need identification. He may exactly know what he wants to buy. He may not know exactly what he wants to buy. So you can help him with the needs. Alternate even project, alternate solution, which he may or he may not accept. But you can provide him so that the decision making for him becomes better. Next, we talk about product knowledge. Product knowledge comprises of manufacturer, what all is he manufacturing, reliability of the manufacturer. Is it a small company? It's a medium company? It's a multinational producing in China, selling in India, producing in US, producing in this thing. Then that is called product knowledge. Then various other products or alternate products which are available for a person to consider. You have to, again, all this requires homework. This cannot come overnight. You have to really think over it and try to imbibe in your own self. Working image. Working image consists of etiquettes, correct manners, grooming, dressing up properly, and not being unshaven, proper hair kept, posture. All these things, all the elements which I am talking, we shall be covering in detail at a later date. But at this point of time, I am only trying to give you just, you can say, take it for granted and try to follow what I am saying. Posture. Are you standing erect? Are you slouching? Is your hand in the pocket? Are you looking somewhere else? Manners. Are you saying, if you have made a mistake, are you willing to apologize to the customer? Have you making the customer realize that he is important? So that is the manners. In addition to the product knowledge, you will need to know the pricing structure. You will need to know what are the pricing structure, how are the pricing broken, alternate offers, schemes, payment plans, warranty or guarantee. I think I'll leave the lecture at this place and start a fresh lecture after some time. Thank you.